Okay, so we're in our attic. There's a, quote, platform. Looks like we're getting code compliant because there is some sprinkler piping. But this is why you want a proper platform. I got a coil here. There's our furnace. But this coil is not really supported well at all. There's been some problems at some point. There's a massive gap just opening up from shifting. And here's our flue. You can see it's gotten hot right next to the drain. It's sitting right on top of this duct here. This is a single wall, not a double wall flue. Damn, the wire's right on top of there from some light. Holy crap. Love it. It's unsupported up there to the roof jack.